Hi guys, this is Arjita. Welcome to today's video where I have created a very simple but very chic card using the Goosebumps. They come in two variants and this is a dauber and a spray. So I'll shake the bottle nicely, open the cap and then I'll just use a regular paintbrush to create some circles on my card base. So I'm going to quickly do this. You can't really see much here, but I'll try to tilt the paper and then I am sure you can see a little bit. So you can do any shape you wish. You can do lines, you can do circles, and here you can see those tiny organic circles. So they're not perfect. I have not used any stencil. Now I'll use some inks and today I'm going to use the VersaMagic dewdrops and I've chosen some corals and pinks. So this is a very beautiful ink and very quick and easy to add. So I'm using the Inkpad directly and just scrubbing it on top of my paper. So the moment the ink hits the paper, you can see the beautiful pattern which we created using the Goosebumps, and I'm very happy with it. So to make the card even brighter, I just wiped it away with a tissue paper and we were good to go. So to top the card, I'm using these beautiful flower image and a leaf. So I'm going to stamp this with VersaFine Black Onyx ink because I want to do some watercoloring. I'm trying to make sure the image is dry, and I have used the same VersaMagic dewdrops in the same shades to color my image. So this is very clear and quick, and they make a beautiful floral, very artistic, nothing fancy, and that's what I'm going to do here. So I'm taking these darker and lighter shades of pinks and adding a little water and spreading it on my paper. So the paper here is not watercolored paper, and it's just a regular Neenah Solar White paper here. So the same goes for the leaf. I'm using the green shades, and that is super quick. So you can embellish it with anything you want. You can create bigger pattern papers using the Goosebumps. You can do various other things, and now I'll just adhere it and finish the card. I stamped the sentiment in VersaFine Black Onyx ink and then placed it at the bottom of my card. This is super simple and I hope you liked this card. So that is it for today, and if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to the Imagine channel. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.